Hey guys, it's CubingXT, and this is my tutorial of how to solve the Skewb. And now, in order to solve the Skewb, there is one algorithm you need to know. And the Skewb is not like the 3x3, where there are like hundreds of algorithms. The Skewb has only one algorithm, and it's very easy to remember. And for some of the more advanced methods of solving the Skewb have more than one algorithm, but this is not one of those advanced methods. The one algorithm you need to know is R prime, L, R, L prime. Now that you know that one algorithm, we can get started with the tutorial. So, first I'm going to scramble up my cube. And also, if you didn't know, Skewb is actually my favorite WCA event and just my favorite cube in general. To find out why, just click here. Okay, that seems scrambled enough. So, the first step you want to do is find the white centerpiece. So, after you found the white centerpiece, then look for some white corners. There's one already here. Then you want to just slide them over to here, trying not to disturb any of these ones. You don't want to move these. So I have this guy, and I can put it right here by just doing one move. Although I can't do that because look, these are the wrong colors. So I'm going to put that back because you want to match the colors. This is a blue piece. This is a blue piece. And slide that in. Now this is correct. And now this piece is red. This piece is red. Slide. I can slide this one in. And this piece is green. This piece is green. Slide this one in. What? You see, can't always do it in one move. Sometimes sometimes it goes in the wrong way. But if it does go in the wrong way, do that one algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. Now you can see this piece is flipped. Just insert it in one move. And also, if you ever see a piece like this where it's upside down, you don't want that. So you have to just turn it to one side, and it may take out one piece, but you do not want a piece here. And then just do L. Perfect. And now you can see all of these corners are in the right way. And now, for the top layer, you want to get all the corners facing up and in the right way. And there are two cases. This is the first case, which they're two headlights. Headlights are when you get two of one color are facing the same way, except the centerpiece is different. So you want the headlights, and this is not headlights, even though it's two yellow pieces. This doesn't really have a name, but it's just basically headlights, but they're facing outwards. For this, just do that one algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. And then you have this all done, and you want to make sure that the headlights are pointing that way, and you're turning it so that when you're turning it, your first turn moves the headlights, but one of these ones stays put. And now the second case is this, which there's one yellow piece facing up. No, there's two yellow pieces facing up, but no other yellow pieces are facing up, and they're diagonal. So this, you don't want it like this, where one is on the bottom left and one is on the top right. You actually want one on the bottom right and one on the top left. And then you just do that one algorithm, R prime, L, R, L prime. Also, that one algorithm is called a sledgehammer. And then it gives you the headlights case with these facing outwards. Then make sure that the headlights are pointing that way. So just do R prime, L, R, L prime. Then you get all the corners facing up. And also, we know you want to do it top left and bottom right. But if you do accidentally do it top right, bottom left, it's not the end of the world, because all it does, it just flips it the right way. So if you don't get the headlights outwards case, just do it again without doing any key rotations, because it's already rotated the right way now. And now we have the headlights and the outward facing pieces. Make sure it goes that way. And just do the sledgehammer. And now what we want to do, we want to get the yellow center onto the top. And the way we do that is we look at the face that the yellow center is on. Then we turn it 2 times. Now what we do the algorithm, R prime, L, R, L prime, and then turn it over 2 rotations, and then do the algorithm again, R prime, L, R, L prime, and then you have then you have the yellow on the top. And the yellow side is solved and the white side is solved. Then you may have one side already solved, or if you're lucky enough, you get the whole cube solved. But next step you want to do, there's 3 unsolved centers and 1 solved center. That 1 solved center on the bottom, and then look for the opposite colors. So green and orange, if we pull out a 3x3, green and orange are not opposite colors. And the other one is red and orange. If we look at the 3x3, red and orange are opposite colors. So you want to make sure that both of those sides are facing us. Well, yeah, the solved side is on the bottom, and we're looking at the 2 opposite sides and do the algorithm. R prime, L, R, L prime. Then flip it over 2 rotations. R prime, L, R, L prime. Then we solve the cube. And that is how to solve the Skewb in one easy method with 1 algorithm. Bye!